Okay, so I just want to go over how to get into the environment in the first place. So after you fork the repository and store it in a location in your computer, you CD into it, Visual Code. This is my current directory. This is the name of the project. I CD'd into the construction project. So now, once you see scripts, when you run the ls command, this is how you're able to activate the virtual environment. So you would then run this command, and it'll run correctly when you see this on the left side of the PS. So now that you're there, you can ls again, and you'll see this construction app. So yeah, you can change into it. So now that you're into that directory, you run ls, and now that when you see the manage.py file right here, now you're able to do python manage.py and then run server to get the server going. Okay, and now refresh, and now you have the website up and running. Okay, thank you.